Hello friends, my name is Manoj Kumar from Corp IT. In today's video, we'll see an awesome platform named Kavita. So there are lots of folk who read books, who read comics, and they want to have their digital library. For that, they can utilize the app known as Kavita. So in this video, we'll see how exactly we can deploy it. So this is the official website of the Kavita. If you want to look for a demo, you can check over there. Anyway, I'm just creating a Docker container out of it, so you will anyway see the demo. So first thing first, what Docker image I will use? I will use my trusted resource, that is from Linux server IO. They already have a Docker compose file for that. So let me open my Visual Studio Code. So this is the file that I will about to use. Let's just understand what exactly that file is. So first of all, it's service, then Kavita. This is the my image source. This will be my container name. These are few environment variable like PID, GID and the time zone. These are the volumes. So first volume is for the configuration where all the Kavita configuration will be there. The another volume is for books, like that you can create for manga, you can create for comics also. You can see the same example in the Linux server.io Docker image. So see, here they added the configuration, then Java. Okay, here also they didn't. Okay, so in their actual Docker file, it is mentioned like that. So you can also have a look to that. You can just click on the wiki, go to the guide, and Docker install. So see, here it is also like the volume they mounted as a manga, comics, book, like that they are storing. But in my example, I'm just only want to see the books. I don't want to see lots of things. And we have the port. That port I want to use it. These are the restart policy, and these are the network that we already discussed in our previous video. So now let's just do it. First of all, check for the ID. How to get the PID and GID? You just simply need to run a command called ID. This command will work on your Mac as well as on a Linux system. So we got our PID and GID. I already mentioned over there. Now let's see this network. So for that, you need to run this command docker network ls. So that's how you can see I have a network name lab network. Now let's just create this folder. So as you already know, I for every container have a dedicated uh, folder. So let's see how we can see that. So we are already over there. Let's just create a folder name Kavita. Okay, we'll go to Kavita. We'll create two folder mkdir config and data. We do ls hyphen la. We'll do cd data. You can change by your requirement, but I want to have it in my way. So the reason why I created data, and under that I created book. Let's suppose down the line I want to add the comics. Under the same data folder I can create comics, I can create manga, and yada yada yada. So under cd, let me just create a folder now, name books. Okay, so if you go back a bit, so I'm under the Kavita. If you tree it, so you can see, okay, I have a config folder, I have a data, and under data we have the books. So now let's just import few books over here. So if you can, if I go to my desktop, okay, so I just already have two books with me. One is American Prometheus and the Haunting Adele. So we need to align in such a way that folder name, then book, the folder name, then book. Let's just copy everything from here, these two folder. Okay, copy it. We'll go to desktop, then docker image. Now docker data, open image. Is Kavita, then data. Now here and inside the book we'll paste our item. Perfect. Now let's just again do the tree. So we can see, okay, we have our config folder, we have data folder, under book we have two. Seems like a plan. Now let's just go back and run this docker compose file. Now the command is very simple. We'll run docker compose -f, the file name, up -d. It's already started. Let's just verify whether our container is running or not. How we can verify? Docker ps-a grep kavi. So as you can see, my Kavita container is running on that particular port. Now let's just log in. So how we can log in? We'll open the Orbstack. We can see our container is listing over here. We'll click to this link icon. It opens something like here. We'll open a text edit. So here I created few dummy detail. We'll add username as admin. We'll give this as a email, and this is a password. Anyway, this is just a test password. You cannot have access for that. So you can just log in over there. Now let me enter the detail. So the first Kavita installation will look something like that. Now you need to come to the setting. You need to come to the media. Now here, like, you can add your images and everything. We'll go to the library. So as of now there is no library because we did not add the library. We mentioned in the YAML file there our books will be stored on this particular directory, but in the app also we need to mention. So we click on the add library. We'll name it as books and we select type as book. We'll go to the next. Now it's asking for the choose the folder. We'll click over here. We are on a slash, so we are on a books. So under books we have two books. So we'll just click on share. We click on next. If you want to set a custom image for this book folder, you can also set that. I don't want to select it. I just simply hit next. These are the settings that you can tweak as per your requirement. I'm just going with a default one and then click save. Once done, I will click on the scan library option. Now let me just come back over the home page, and these are the two books that we added. Now these books are there. I can also click on the books and let me just click over there. So that's how you can access it. So that's how the book look like. You can read it. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope you like this video. If you have any suggestion, please let me know in the comment section. You can also reach out to me over my social media handles. If you have any suggestion or any video that you demand, please let me on the comment. I will try to create a video on that topic. So that's all for this video. I hope you like this video. If you have any suggestion, please let me know. Till the next time, peace.